Today we're going to be exploring the model of the small intestines, composed of the serosa layer, mucosa layer, submucosal layer, muscularis layer, and the outermost serosal layer. Serosa, muscularis, submucosa, and mucosa. Out here in the serous layer, we have some both nervous plexi as well as lymphatic tissues, the accompanying vasculature leading up to the muscularis layer, composed of an outer longitudinal layer and an inner circular layer. In between these two layers, we find the muscularis mucosa and the muscularis plexus. We have some vasculature up here in the submucosal layer, home to things like the Brunner's gland, the follicle. Some might refer to this as a Peyer's patch if we're talking about the distal ileum of the small intestine. The muscularis mucosa is up here. We have the mucosal layer, home to the villi, lined by simple columnar epithelial cells, on the apical surface of which we would have microvilli. These villi have inside them a really cool capillary bed, just internal to these absorptive and associated goblet cells, so that the nutrients can be taken up by the cardiovascular system and pushed away for further processing. We also have within each villi a closed-ended lymphatic capillary known as a lacteal that will be tasked with absorbing and the transportation of dietary lipids. That's pretty good for this model.